Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WeCreat Vision 20-watt laser engraver. Let's see if this machine lives up to the hype. The WeCreat Vision boasts a powerful 20-watt diode laser, a sleek design, and a host of features aimed at making laser engraving a breeze. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design and footprint of the WeCreat Vision. This machine is sleek, compact, and fits perfectly on any workshop desk. With dimensions of 23.19 by 20.91 by 9.96 inches, it's not going to take up too much space in your workspace. But don't let its size fool you, the WeCreat Vision packs a punch. With its 20-watt diode laser, it can cut through materials like basswood and acrylic with ease. And thanks to its integrated camera and autofocus function, setting up your projects is a breeze. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including laser beds, a Wi-Fi antenna, tools for assembly, and even a 1.5 meters exhaust hose for venting. Plus, the optional rotary engraving kit and fume extractor take this machine to the next level. The rotary engraving kit allows you to engrave cylindrical objects. The fume extractor ensures a clean working environment by reducing smoke and fumes during engraving. Now, let's talk about the software. The WeCreat Vision uses WeCreat's MakeIt software offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of free and paid projects to choose from. Plus, with features like the AI image tool, you can create stunning designs with ease. And if you're a fan of customization, you'll love the Visual Matrix feature, which allows you to adjust laser power and speed to achieve the perfect engraving every time. But how does the WeCreat Vision perform in real-world scenarios? Well, I put it to the test, and I have to say, I was impressed. Whether I was engraving wood, acrylic, or even stainless steel, the results were consistently sharp and precise. And with features like the autofocus function and integrated camera, setting up my projects was quick and easy. Of course, safety is paramount when working with lasers, and the WeCreat Vision doesn't disappoint. With its Class 1 laser and full enclosure, you can rest assured that you're in good hands. Plus, with the optional fume extractor, you can enjoy a clean working environment without worrying about harmful fumes. So, what's the final verdict? Well, the WeCreat Vision is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly laser engraver that's perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and affordable price point, it's worth considering for your next project. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy engraving!